Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the homologous series. What is homologous series? Dear students, a series of compounds, a series of compounds in which the same functional group and same chemical properties but differ only by CH2 group is called homologous series. Okay, for example, methane CH4 and ethane C2H6. This is the member of alkane. But what is the difference in these molecules, methane or ethanes? So difference of these molecules is C1 and H2. Number of carbon atom 2 minus 1. C1, number of hydrogen atom total 6 minus 4, 2. This is the CH2 groups. The member of alkane but differ in these two compounds, only CH2 group is called homologous series. Similarly, C2H6 and next C3H8. What is the difference between two compounds, ethane and propane? Their name will be ethane, their name will be propane. It is also a alkane series. Alkane. Why? Because they are containing carbon-carbon single bonds. But differ in these two compounds is only CH2 group. So this is the examples of homologous series. We take also another examples. CH3OH. This is the methanol. Example number 1, 2 and example number 3. CH3OH and C2H5OH. The functional group is same. Here is also present one OH group, alcoholic group. Here is also present one OH group. But differ in these groups only. What is the difference between two compound, ethanol or methanol? Only difference by CH2 group. So this is also a homologous series, but it is the continuous in minors. Okay, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. We take also another examples. CH3OH, C2H5OH, C3H7OH, C4H9OH. All the examples of alcohols, but differ in these two compounds is CH2 group. Okay, it is also difference in two CH2 groups, also differ in CH2 groups. So this is the homologous series. Okay, all the carbon compounds containing OH group, that is the alcoholic groups, all are homologous series. Their same functional group but differ there in CH2 group, so it is called homologous series. Okay, students. Okay, next, what is the difference? Question है, one question arises here. What is the difference between propane and butane? Propane and butane. Okay, so question marks, their answer will be, what is the difference between propane and butane? The difference between propane and butane is only CH2 group. Okay, CH2 groups. For example, C3H8, C4H10. So their difference is CH2. Okay. Okay, let us know, what is the general formula of alkenes? Question, what is the general formula of alkene? Dear students, their general formula is CnH2n. Okay, that means n equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So if we put here number of carbon atom 2, C2, so hydrogen is 2 into 2. So our structure C2H4, their name is ethene. Number of carbon atom present 2, so 2 is ethene. Okay, their structure is also possible, carbon single bond and one double bond, and 2 hydrogen atom in this carbon atom attached, and here is also 2 hydrogen atom. A carbon atom maximum have 4 bond, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the complete structure of ethene. We also take another example, C3H6. Number of carbon atom 3, so their hydrogen atom 2 is to 3, 6. Their structure 1, 2, 3. How many carbon atom are present here? 3 carbon atom present here. At least 1 double bond present in 2 carbon atoms. So this is the propenes. Number of hydrogen atom here 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Total number of hydrogen atom present in 6. So their name will be propene. Okay. And what is the properties of homologous series? You also seen here C2H4 and C3H6. What is the difference between two compounds? Difference between only CH2 group. This is the whole also homologous series. And let's now we discuss about the properties of homologous series. Properties of homologous series. Okay, students. If property 1, if molecular mass increases, if molecular mass increases in any homologous series, a small change in physical properties. Okay. Why? Because the melting and boiling point increases. Melting and boiling point increases with increase in molecular mass. With increase in molecular mass. Okay, students. And second, the solubility in a particular solvent, the solubility in a particular solvent also show similar properties in homologous series. Okay, this is the two properties of homologous series. And let us now discuss about the important topic. What is isomer? Isomer. Okay, iso means same and mer means large number of compounds but same chemical formula. Okay, student, what is isomers? You explain. The compounds having same molecular formula but different their structural formula and their properties is called isomer. And this phenomenon is called isomerism. Okay, let us see one examples here. What is isomers? The compounds having the same chemical formula but different their structural formula and different their property is called isomers. For example, butane, their chemical formula C4H10. Okay, students, how to draw their different structures? First structure we try to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of carbon atom 4 and hydrogen atom 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Also put hydrogen, 10 hydrogen. And this is the structure of normal butanes. Okay, this is called normal butane. Simple butane is also called normal butane. And also we can draw their structure 1, 2, 3, 4. Two structural isomer is possible. Number of carbon atom 4 and hydrogen atom 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see here the chemical formula is same but their name is changed, their structure is changed, so their name will be isobutane. Okay, this is the normal butane and this is the isobutane. This is the examples of isomer. Same formula but differ their structure. Chemical formula is same, C4H10, but different their structure is called isomer. We take also another examples. C5H12. Their name will pentane. Okay, students, pentane. Pentane means 5 carbon atoms. So one possible structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We also try another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 structure is possible, and also put you hydrogen atoms for the satisfied of valency of carbon atom. Total number of hydrogen atom present is 12 and carbon atom is 5. You see here, all carbon atom, their valency is 4. Okay, so their name will be also different. This is the pentane, normal pentane. This is isopentane, and this is one is neopentane. This is the structural formula of pentane. Same chemical formula but different their structure, students. Okay, thank you for watching this video.